Hello everyone, myself Pranav Dani. I am from Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. I have completed MSc Computer Science from PVG College of Science, Pune. This is original video. So today's topic is the main method in Java. Before starting the today's topic, we will discuss about the what is the method and what is the use of the method. So method is a block of code which is used to execute some instruction. The use of method is if we don't use any method, we have to repeatedly we have to write the repeatedly code. To avoid that scenario, we use the method. There are two types of method. One is predefined method, second one is user defined method. First one is predefined method. The method which meaning is already defined in the JVM compiler is called predefined method. The predefined is method and also used to execute some specific mathematical operation, some specific tasks. The some predefined methods are sqrt, to find max, mean, and etc. The second one is a user defined method. The method which is created by the user to do the perform the specific task is called as the main method. For main method, we need the access modifier, and we can use the static keyword, and we have to use the method name. We can pass the argument to the method or not argument. There are we can we can pass the return data type. If we pass the return data type as a integer float, we have to return it by the that number. If we don't want any return data type, we use the void. Void is the non-access modifier in Java. So the we will discuss about the main method. So what is meant by the main method? Why it is different from other method? The JVM, when JVM started the executing of program, it is not executed the whole method and whole classes. It will directly jump to the main method and start executing the instructions of main method. If we call the another method is in the main method, the JVM will redirect to the that method. Means JVM only executing the main method only. For that purpose, we have to add the call the all the method and all the code in the main method. The syntax of the main method in Java is a public static void main string args. The meaning of public is access modifier. There are four types of access modifier. One is private, second one is public, third one is protected, and fourth one is default. But why we take the only public access modifier? The main method only the method which is executed by the JVM. If we pass it as a private, which is not accessible outside the class only, which is not possible, which causes the ambiguity. If we main method is we declare the protected, we cannot access it outside the package. Again, it's called ambiguity. Because of that, the main method is public. We cannot change the syntax of access modifier in main method. The next keyword in the main method is static. The main method is static method. Static is related to the class. Main method is static because if we declare another static method, we can use it without creating any object. If we have to use non-static method in the static public static void main method, we have to create the object of that class, and we have to pass that method to the class. Because of that, the non-static method cannot access directly the static methods. We have to use the reference object, which reference object pointing to that method, and we are the JVM executing the that task. The third one is static void main. Main is the predefined keyword which is used by JVM. We cannot change the word main. Main function starting the executing of flow of program from top to bottom approach. The next one is string argument. We everything written in the Java is converted into the string object, which cannot be changed. We can change the name of the argument. Means we can change args, abcd. We can take any name in the arguments list. There, the next one is main JVM start execute the code. First, it searches for the static blocks. First, it will execute the static blocks. Then, it execute the main method. If there is a static block, there is no need of main method. We can write the code without main method, but we need the static block, either static block or main method, because the meaning of the both the codes are same. We can overload the main method also, but the argument list are must be different. If we same the argument list, there is a causing an error. That is all about the main method in Java. Thank you.